Hey y'all, we gonna make up some chalk paint because I got a few things I need to paint up. So I just have an empty container. You're gonna need calcium carbonate, which you can get online. It's lime is mainly calcium carbonate, but it's not the same lime that you get at the hardware store. So just keep that in mind. You could order it online. You can, for $15, you could have gallons and gallons. And you're gonna need flat paint. You will need a spoon. I actually found one of these immersion blenders for $3 at the thrift store. It has come in so handy, and I only use it for craft projects, so there's no food usage whatsoever. And I need a measuring spoon. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of paint, which is half of a quart. And you do need to use flat paint. I shouldn't say you need to use flat paint. Most chalk paint is made with flat paint. It's because you don't want the gloss. We're going to come over it and seal it after you're done. But, so flat paint, I use Oops paint. And this was actually paint I got for, I think, $2 or $3. And it has served me well. I bought several of them, and I want to say it's almost a year or so, and I'm still going strong. So I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup. So that was half, so I need a fourth now. Of the calcium carbonate into a bowl. Now, I want to talk a little bit about plaster of Paris. If you want your item to be chippy, which means that you want, a lot of the paint to come off, you use very little plaster Paris, or you use no plaster Paris. Plaster Paris actually, if you think about it, when you use plaster Paris, you add water and then it hardens. So what it does is help the paint to stick to the surface. So I am only going to put, sometimes I put two heaping tablespoons or teaspoons in, but this time, because it's my white and I'm going to paint some furniture, I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of plaster in there. Now what I will do is, if I'm painting something and I know that I want it to stick and not chip away so much, is I'll pour a little bit of my pre-mixed already out and add a little bit of the plaster to it and mix it real well. And that way I have it. So I'm gonna start with 1/4 of a cup and just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna use my immersion blender to sort of make a slurry with it. And I'm just making sure that all along the bottom gets done. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna move my water and my measuring spoons. Now I know that half of this, a quart is 4 cups, so I need half of this jar. So what I'm gonna do is just slowly pour some in. And that's about a little bit more. Okay, that's about half. think we're there. Now, I will say this. If I was going to spray with this, I would fill the rest up with water. So, you know, 1 quart water to 3 quarts paint, so that it would loosen it up a little bit. But because I'm going to brush this on, I want it a little bit thicker. And it's pretty well mixed. I'm just going to go one more round for a few more seconds. Okay, and if you guys want to see what I do with it, watch the next couple videos. But this is the consistency. And that's it. And you can actually store this for about a month. And just, if you're using it every 5 to 6 minutes or so, I just shake it real good. I have lids for them, just to keep the chalk immersed in it. All right, happy painting, everybody.